Let us start comparing ChatGPT with Arvow AI SEO writing tool. Now, I'm very excited to do this experiment regardless of the results which I'm gonna get, but I'm hoping this Arvow AI SEO writer is gonna produce better content because it has been trained and it has a lot of features. Now, let's talk about this, okay? Now, in order to write blog articles or automate blog articles, you cannot do that with ChatGPT unless you're using some make.com or n8n automation, custom prompts. And whenever you're writing blog articles using ChatGPT, you need to give a custom prompts like persuade you and first person perspective and in tone, passive tone or active tone, and make it friendly, bullet points, every single thing. And also you need to generate images. But with Arvow, you can simply enter the keyword right here and click on add keywords and generate article. That's it, you're done. In under a minute, it's gonna produce a whole lot of content right for you. Okay, so let me show you one of the examples which I have produced articles. Okay, now this one, right, you can see this one, and it has a nice intro and the tone is really good when you're reading it. Okay, and then you have key takeaways, and except one thing is missing right here, which is a table of content. And if you have a plugin called table of content inside the WordPress or whatever the CMS you are using, it's going to automatically do the table of content for you. So with that being said, and if you can see the H1, H2, and also it has made the bold, some of the sentences made the bold, and you can also see the internal linking and external linking too. So when it comes to internal linking, guys, you can also do the same thing with ChatGPT, but ChatGPT externally doesn't have any, access to the sitemap. You individually need to give the links. But when it comes to Arvow, you can directly, if you go to the edit, customizing, you can give your sitemap, and it's gonna, auto internal link based on your relevancy of the articles, blog post which you previously have written. Okay, so that's a good thing about this Arvow AI, right? And also you can see the quotes, which is a really necessary when it comes to having a user engagement. And we have the thumbnail. Okay, now the thumbnail looks, few thumbnails are not that realistic, but I prefer the blog images or thumbnails, whatever, to design by my own. I'm gonna design. They're using AI. They're gonna be a little bit errors. Maybe it's because of the rate limits. Sometimes it's accurate, sometimes it's not. But I prefer using my own images. And you can also see, if you notice carefully, you can also see the alt text given to the image, right? So, and then you also have, it has been detailed, and you also have this list and bullet points, and when it comes to the end, you also have the final thought as conclusion. And not only that, you have frequently asked questions to give a better SERP, improve the SERP results, right? So people ask questions and we are solving for them, right? And meta description, you can see that, and feature image, you can also see that. But let me take this same keyword, same title, and give it to ChatGPT to produce for me. And I'm gonna write, hey, write me a blog article on this about 1,000 words, including image for blog thumbnail and meta description. So I just gave the prompt. Okay, I just give the simple prompt. All right, it has done finishing writing an article, and here you can see the 100,000 word blog article is ready. Complete meta description with thumbnail, image suggestion. So it has only, so let me open it. Let me make it full screen. And okay, so there's no thumbnail, but we have a nice suggested blog thumbnail. Okay, we have the description, image description, and let's see. Let me generate this. Okay, so create an image. All right, let's see how it looks, right? Let's give it a moment. Now, if you compare this to Arvow, So basically, ChatGPT has done a good job with, you know, so basically ChatGPT has done a good job with writing, intro and meta description, but not good with writing other things. And even doubt if it is, 1,000 words, right? Now, if you look at the Arvow, the content produced by Arvow AI, you can see it's a super, information filled, and it's super effective when it comes to, keeping the user's attention, right? And also it is very detailed and it's very brief, right? So this is what, having, content authority means, right? You need to know every single thing. You need to know especially the details. Now, Arvow AI, if you read through this article, it's been very completely described, and it's a very good article, right? But if but that is not the same case with ChatGPT. It has, skipped everything, and it just gave direct, straightforward to do everything, right? So it's better for, creating short answers, but not optimized, right? Not SEO optimized. What if users want to know, you know, the other things, right? Not only in, solution for this, but also the apex pros and cons. So that's what Arvow AI does. It researches real time, fetches data from real time, and compares, and take the keywords from competitors maybe, and creates an entire article, optimized article. So Arvow AI is trained on many SEO blog articles writing style and fetching information. So when it comes to writing an SEO optimized article, so this is the best one. And let me know. So with that being said, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about SEO. I'm gonna reply to you. With that being said, catch you on the next one.